Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to copy, rotate, and merge the meshed part in ANSYS SpaceClaim. Please follow the steps. First we will make a ring segment from a ring. We will split this ring and keep one small segment. Delete planes. Rename the parts. We need a ring segment only for next steps. You can delete or suppress this part. In next step, we will mesh a ring segment and rotate it. Add body for block creation. You can change simulation physics. Select body and generate mesh. You can see mesh generated successfully. In next step, we will copy this ring segment and rotate it by 30 degrees. Select rotational axis. Select rotation about z-axis, provide value, and press Enter key. Copy of meshed ring segment is rotated but not merged to the parent body. Let's check this by changing number of divisions. You can see that blocks are not merged. Click on Merge tool. Select blocks and press Enter key. Let's check the blocks are merged or not. You can see that blocks are merged now. Check mesh quality and do some refinements if needed. This is how you can copy, rotate, and merge mesh blocks. Thank you for watching this tutorial.